Do you want to speak English now? Do you want to tell people about the most important people in your life? We are talking about your family. Maybe you think it is too hard. No, it is easy. Stay with me for this whole video, and I will give you the simple words, the easy words to talk about your mother, your father, your brother, and everyone. You will speak English today. First, let us learn the main family words. The small family is called the immediate family. This is the people who live in your house. You have a mother and a father. They are your parents. You are the son or the daughter. If you have a boy who is your family, he is your brother. If you have a girl, she is your sister. The word for all of you, your brother, your sister, and you, is siblings. For example, my friend Anna has one brother and one sister. She has 2 siblings. Mother and father are parents. Brother and sister are siblings. My family has 4 people: my mother, my father, my sister, and me. We live in a small apartment. How many people are in your immediate family? Write the number in your mind. Now, let us talk about the older family, the grandparents. Your mother's mother is your grandmother. Your father's father is your grandfather. Grandparents are very important. They tell great stories. They give us wisdom. They know many things about life. Maybe you live with your grandparents, or maybe you visit them every week. For example, my grandmother used to tell me stories about her childhood. This is a family tradition. Do you have a special memory with your grandparents? Family is also a big group. This is the extended family. Your mother's sister is your aunt. Your father's brother is your uncle. Aunts and uncles often bring a different perspective to the family. They give good advice. The children of your aunts and uncles are your cousins. Cousins can sometimes be our closest friends growing up. You play games together, you share secrets. I have 3 cousins. We played soccer together every summer. We have a lot of fun together. When you have a big party, a family gathering, all the extended family comes together. It is a happy time. Every person in the family has a role, a job they do. The roles help the family work well. Let us look at some simple roles. Work and money. One person often works outside the house to get money. We say, "My father works in an office," or "My mother is a teacher." Home care. Someone takes care of the house. We say, "My mother cooks the food," or "My father cleans the kitchen." Children's roles. Even children have roles. You can help. We say, "I help with the dishes," or "My brother takes care of the dog." For example, in my friend's house, her mother is the best cook. Her father helps with the garden. What is your role? Do you help with the cleaning? Do you help with the cooking? Families do many things together. These are activities and traditions. They make the family bond strong. Eating meals. This is the most common activity. We eat dinner together every evening. This is a great time to talk about your day. Vacations. Families often go on trips. We went to the beach last summer, or we went to the mountains for 1 week. Fun time. Simple things are also fun. My family plays board games on Saturday, or we watch a movie every Friday night. A tradition is an activity you do all the time, a special way your family celebrates. For example, my family always watches the same holiday movies together every year. It is an old tradition. What is one special tradition in your family? The most important thing about family is support and love. Family helps you when life is good and when life is difficult. Good times. Celebrate. When something good happens, your family is very happy for you. For example, you pass an important exam. Your family will say, "Good job." They will celebrate with a special dinner. Difficult times. Help. When you feel sad or have a problem, your family will listen and help. For example, if you are sick, your mother or father will help you with chores. They will bring you tea. If you have a problem at work, you talk to your parents. They give you advice. Family is a safe place. They give you strength and comfort. Do you feel support from your family? Every family has important values. These are the ideas and beliefs that guide your family. One important value is honesty. This means you always tell the truth. Another value is kindness. This means you are good to all people. A third value is respect. You speak politely to older people, like your grandparents. Your parents teach you these values when you are young. For example, my family always taught me to be honest and kind to others. I always make sure to help others when they are in need. What values are important in your home? You did it. Now you have the simple, easy words to talk about your family. Family is so important. Tell me one thing. Please write one new English word you learned today in the comments below. For example, I learned the word siblings. And if you want to keep learning English easily with me, please click the subscribe button right now. We will continue this simple learning journey together. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next episode. Take care.